Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the glass in Subnautica 2. This is especially useful for crafting windows like this, which are really an essential piece if you want to make a beautiful base. So to get started, we'll need to find some quartz. Quartz can be found inside of these coral domes. Inside of them, you'll most certainly find some quartz. I've already looted this coral dome, so it's not there. So make sure to search all of the coral domes. Also, another option to get quartz faster is to look at the ground, just like this, and here you'll see a giant quartz node, from which you'll get 3 times quartz. Also, these nodes can be located on the coral domes, just like this. And as you can see, inside of this one, where I haven't included it yet, there are plenty of quartz nodes. So now we can travel to our base, to our fabricator, once we've gathered the quartz. And now inside of the fabricator, go to resources, and here you'll see glass, on which you'll need 2 times quartz. So we can go ahead and craft it. And this is pretty much all. How to get glass in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.